Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Boacua 12-inch zip ties. So you get 100 of them in this bag. I really like it. They really are strong. I don't have many failures with these. They're kind of flexible, but you're going to find the rigid side and then there's a smooth side. The smooth side goes on the outside. So wherever you wrap this around, the rigid side goes in. That's the rigid side is what's going to ratchet on this little piece of plastic right there. So as you pull it, you'll hear it ratchet and then it won't come out anymore. It's very strong. I'm going to show you a little trick. If you need to put two together, just put it like this. You can put two together and then, whoops, this one's already used. You can put two together and make a really big one. You could go up to 3, 4, as many as you'd like. You know, I could keep adding them, and that way I could go around a really big thing. If I needed to go around something really big, just use 2 or 3 of them. And then you can pull each one tight. When you get it wrapped around, whatever you need to get it wrapped around, make sure you use some flush cutters and cut these flush. If you cut them up and leave them up, it could possibly be at an angle, and that could cut somebody or something. That could be kind of dangerous. So always cut zip ties at a flush. Let's see if we can check the maximum opening. It's around 3 inches. All right, so let's put it in till one of them clicks. Okay, I think that's the one. That's the maximum. So that, yeah, it's almost, you know, depending on when it's a perfect circle, is about almost 4 inches. Not really, 3.5 about. But you can go down really small. You know, that's probably, yeah. Very, very small, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch. I could even go a little farther. You can see it goes really small. So I hope this review helped. Thanks everybody for watching.